guys, welcome to part 2 of the Kerala series. We ended the last one at Varkala and now we are somewhere in the middle of the mountains. We are in Vagamon and this is the view from our Airbnb, which is crazy to me because oh my god, I've waited so long to be in the mountains and I'm finally here. I'm happy to another level. I mean, I was happy earlier as well, but this just hits different. I don't know if you're a mountain person, you can relate to this. And it's just a very, very beautiful place. Although आज सुबह से थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश हो रही है, so it was all foggy. It just cleared up. So I thought that I'll show you guys now. Whew. Plus the Airbnb itself is so Pinteresty, so cute, and you have to see this. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick house tour. It's amazing. I'm finishing a little bit of work with this view. I mean, this is the dream, guys. This is the ultimate dream. Oh my god. I can keep looking at this forever. It's all foggy out there because it's raining today, but we're hoping that it's clear tomorrow, and we are staying in the house today, just doing activities like family activities. Hi, Papa.
Hi.
Hello. Good morning, guys. I woke up. It's around 6:45 a.m. right now. I am minty fresh, which is rare, but I have the most beautiful view in front of me, and trust me when I say that it's a privilege to wake up to a view like this in today's time. So yeah, I'm just soaking it all in while it lasts. We've come out for a morning walk, and honestly, it feels like a luxury living in Bombay, that it's so quiet and nice and green in nature, all of that. So yeah. First today we have Kerala Kadla curry and appam and fruits and curd rice as well. Really looking forward to it now because मौसम कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा है. We have a mountain view here and I brought a sari with me because content creator brain, I guess. And अभी mom मुझे help कर रही है to wear this sari. And हम लोग एक फिल्मी सा बॉलीवुड स्टाइल वीडियो बनाने का सोच रहे हैं, which is crazy, but yeah, I think you guys will enjoy it. Even I'll enjoy it. I'm just worried कि बाहर बहुत ठंड होगी and I'm gonna feel cold, but let's see. Abhi, I'm just ready and waiting for this fog to clear up so that I can shoot with actual valley, mountains, all of that.
What are you doing?
One more. Okay, so I changed into normal clothes and now me and Didi actually we are heading to Zostel ka cafe because we are craving a nice cup of coffee, and Zostel is like walking distance from our place, so we thought let's just go and have a nice cup of coffee in this weather because it's drizzling today, and that's why this. I think it's wrong, kya? Zostel was a bummer because cafe situation there was not good. Overall, थोड़ा सा disappoint हो गए हम लोग. So now we are heading to the Vagamon Adventure Park, and it's one of the most recommended places here. So let's see what the fuss is all about. Why is it looking like Kashmir?
सही में बहुत ही beautiful है ये.
So we are here at the adventure park. There are a lot of activities to do, especially if you are with kids or someone who's younger. There are a lot of activities like swing and glass walk and so many things to do. So yeah, we're just having fun. Probably we'll do some activities here. So just wanted to keep you posted. It's rainy, it's misty. As you can see, the whole valley is covered with fog again. Hi guys, so we are here at the Pine Forest here in Vagamon. It's again a very famous touristy spot and it's beautiful. Like there's so many pine trees around and you can just keep looking at these tall trees and just take a walk maybe. It's pretty nice. There's a entry ticket, very minimal, and just get some pictures done because really Instagrammable I would say. So after the pine forest, we have come down to the Vagamon Meadows, which is again a famous tourist spot over here. It's basically like a park made around meadows and it's super green, super nice and यहाँ से ना valley view दिखता है I guess. So I'll take you guys along and we'll see. Again यहाँ पे enter होने के लिए there are minimal charges like 30 rupees per person. So you can definitely come here, check this out, take some pictures and just enjoy the vibe because weather अच्छा हो तो it's really nice place.
और कुछ नहीं, इस ट्रिप पैसे बहुत है.
That's true.
Laughed so much. पापा के PJs. Oh my god.
Yeah, Papa's sense of humor is something that is, I think, translated in all of us.
And that too in Marwadi.
Yeah, and it's hilarious.
Unbelievable.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Kal sham ko we just came back home and just chilled for a bit. After that, we went out for dinner, but that was a bummer, like a big mistake because the food was so bad. That's one thing about this place is you won't find vegetarian options, you won't find good food, and that's just a turn off a little bit. But apart from that, if we keep that aside, this place is heavenly. It's heavenly beautiful. Like look at this, it's all cleared up today and the sun is out, but we are sadly checking out today from our Airbnb, which I'm gonna miss so much because this place felt like home in the past couple days and I really want to come back as soon as possible and just keep living here for a bit longer because this is the kind of place that I always dreamt of. It's just beautiful, amazing, comfortable, everything. So yeah, I'm gonna miss this view. But yeah, if you want like an offbeat mountain hilly destination, definitely you should visit Vagamon because this place truly has my heart. It's so untouched, the beauty is unreal and you just have to be here to feel what it really feels like. Now we are heading to Munnar, which is our final destination sort of this trip and I'm really excited. So yeah, we'll see you in Munnar. Hi guys, so we are in Munnar now. We just checked into our hotel and it's a really nice resort. I'll quickly give you a room tour in a bit, but plan for today is very chill. We're just gonna have lunch here quickly because it's already 2 p.m. and यहीं के restaurant में हम लोग कुछ खाने वाले, उसके बाद थोड़ा rest करेंगे mom dad. And after that, we are gonna head out probably for shopping and just market research because me and Didi we both enjoy shopping a lot. Just local things, local stuff, tea, coffee, spices, coconut oil and all of those things. So that's the plan for today. So I'll keep you posted and let's just see what our room, actually we have our entire villa to us. So let's see what the villa looks like. We are all ready, heading to the market now and it's raining. It's so cozy right now that we don't want to step out, but we want to make the most of our 2 days here. So stepping out now, let's see how it goes.
चाहिए तो 1325 का आपको साइन लिया ना आपको सही.
So we have found like a normal restaurant after I think 6 days, and we found Punjabi food here. So we've ordered like dal makhani and all of that. So now we're just waiting, all of us, to savor this food. Let's see sabki khushi. I am really waiting to see that. इतनी खुशी कभी नहीं हुई लाइफ में. कैसा है पापा? हाउस द फूड?
मैं तो पनीर देख के ही खुश हूँ भाई.
ओए मजा कर दिया. वेरी यम. टुमारो डिनर.
ठीक है.
Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2 in Munnar, and last night we just shopped a little bit and roamed around the market and just all that stuff. Subah we had breakfast at the hotel, and we are all dressed now to head out to the Kolu Kumalai tea estate, which is like the highest altitude of tea estate here in Munnar, and it's like of course, tea estates are a thing in Munnar, and we wanted to check that out for ourselves. So we're gonna go there and just spend some time. फिर देखते हैं कि दिन कहाँ जाता है, क्या करते हैं. I'll keep you posted. Let's go. So we are here at the tea estate. So यहाँ पे ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. There's just a museum and a tea tasting session, which we are not going for. But the views here are insane. So we got some pictures done and we're just soaking it in. थोड़ी बारिश भी हो रही है, which is making it all more beautiful, I guess. And I'm freezing, by the way, in this outfit. But you gotta do what you gotta do for the gram. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and grab my sweater now. But so beautiful. पास में आओ. हाँ, अब पकड़ो और स्माइल करो. So we are in the Munnar market at Sarvana Bhavan, and here we are gonna try the Kerala thali, which we were looking forward to like from the very beginning. But अब जाके हमको मिली है, so we're really excited.
Pure veg place, of course.
Yeah, of course. That's a whole other challenge. But yeah, that's something that we are excited for. Let's see how it goes and how it is.
मैंने spicy sambar.
Spicy sambar plus banana किया मैंने.
Okay. मस्त है.
Tasty है.
काली मिर्ची का फ्लेवर है.
We had such a scrumptious meal today that I am so dizzy right now. I ate way too much. It was so satisfactory, and it was yum. Like everything, every element in the meal was yum. So I would truly recommend, if you're here, you have to have it. Like I am not a rice person, लेकिन मुझे फिर भी इतना अच्छा लगा. So if you love rice and if you love all the say South Indian cuisine, you would fall in love for sure. So now we have come to this spa known as Amrita Ayurveda. It's very famous here in Kerala, and here in Munnar, and we've just come here to get some massages because we are very tired from our entire trip, and Kerala massages are famous like all over the world, I guess. So yeah, let's go get a massage and probably sleep in the massage chair. come back to the hotel, and the views along the way from the spa to the hotel was crazy. And हम लोग ने बहुत सारी जगह पे रुक के pictures लिए and just soaked in the views. Hi guys, so today we checked out our hotel from Munnar and we had half a day to spend in and around Munnar. So we have come to this Chiapara waterfall, which is amazing because it's like a 7-step waterfall. It's beautiful and I'm gonna show you in a bit. After that, probably we're gonna stop somewhere and then head to airport. So yeah, let's go and see the waterfall. After the waterfall, we were on our way to the airport, and just 5 to 10 minutes away, there's this bridge over Periyar River, which is of course one of the biggest rivers in Kerala. So yeah, we decided to come down the bridge and we just asked some locals around, and we have come to the riverside, which is very quiet and nice. So it's a nice place to hang out and just chill and spend some time because yeah, we have some time to kill, let's be honest. I'll show you the what it looks like and what it is like. It's beautiful. So our Kerala trip officially comes to an end. We are at the airport now. Overall, it was amazing. Like, I would love to visit some of the places like Munnar. Munnar really has my heart. It's so beautiful. It's like heavenly beautiful. हम लोग बात कर रहे थे and we were saying that it's like Kashmir of south of India, and that stays true because it's actually that great. So yeah, if you're here, definitely do visit all of these places that I mentioned in part 1 and part 2. Apart from that, let's ask all of my family members how they like the trip.
साउथ इंडिया का कश्मीर है ये। लोग भी यहाँ के काफ़ी सही है, अवेयरनेस भी खूब बहुत है लोगों में, और साफ़ सफाई भी मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छी लगी, और ग्रीनरी तो इतनी है कि देखते ही बनती है। बिल्कुल वेरी नाइस।
मेरा तो पता ही है, मैं तो वापस आने वाली हूँ मुन्नार के लिए, ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज इट वाज रियली रियली नाइस। और मेरा तो आई थिंक ये साल का फर्स्ट लंबा ट्रिप है, सो आई कांट हैव इनफ, एंड या यू शुड डेफिनेटली विजिट केरला फॉर श्योर।
आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग टाइम मैं ट्रिप पे आई हूँ। मेरे को केरला बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, और ग्रीन बहुत है, इतना ग्रीन है। कुमारकोम में हाउस बोटिंग करी, उसमें भी बहुत मज़ा आया। वारकला में बीच देखे, और ये मुन्नार को तो कहने की क्या बात है, बहुत ही अच्छा सिटी है।
So that's Kerala from everyone's point of view. I hope you enjoyed watching all of us have fun and explore Kerala through our lens. So yeah, see you in the next one. Oh, like, share, subscribe. Bye.